Oh boy, these AirTag Challenge 2, boy. I told you, I did that unboxing and I said I gotta get into these immediately, guys. I did the whole on foot, I did everything already. I tried them out. You know, I got the swaggy over here, and I got the stock formation. Let's just call it stock formation, guys. This is not even waste time anymore. These are bad, man. These are bad. Roll my intro. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And like I was saying, I am so happy. I can't even say another word. Excited. I am just so happy about these shoes. Man, these things are amazing. Wow. I know I'm jumping the gun over here, guys, but dude, I cannot believe that this shoe. I know it has the hype. I understand it has hype. But I cannot understand how it doesn't have more hype than what it actually should be. Like this shoe right here, bro. This is crazy, guys. I'm not going to keep wasting your time before we get to the review. You guys know I like getting to the review quick. But, man, they're good, man. They're good. But before we even get into this, we got to get to the presentation, guys. Slow it down. Well, I'm not going to lie. I like the presentation a lot. Very different. Remember, guys, I never had the AirTag Challenge 2, and I never seen this presentation, so I really like it. The top of the box has nothing. It has a real, like, vintage feel to this. One of the things that I really like about it is that feel that it brings to you. It brings that nostalgia. On the front of the box is the same orange as the top, you know, very clean. And the side has the Nike Air logo, but the whole bottom has these lines, you know, in silver and gray. Very nostalgic, like I said. The back of the box has absolutely nothing as well. It's just where the QR codes, AirTag Challenge 2, Quick Strike, guys. Yes, these are actually limited, and Nike Air in the top. The inside of the box, absolutely nothing. All it has is the actual tag that the shoe brings. Yes, guys, Quick Strike, go read it up, is more limited than the rest of the drops. That's the crazy part about it, because before I even get into the shoe, check out the price. You crazy? That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. I'm telling you. And the first time I actually saw somebody wearing this besides Andre Agassi, I actually saw Fat Joe wearing them. And bro, he was talking about the denims, you know, the Jordan 4 denims. Dude, I said, you know, that's a pretty ass shoe, bro. So guys, I just had to get them. I had to get my hands on these shoes, and let's get to the shoes. We'll have the conversation towards the end, guys. Let me get the stock formation here real quick. You already know how I start this off, guys. The materials. Oh, I flicked it. And the toe box. As you guys can see, the perforated leather on the top of the toe box. I'm gonna squeeze down on it. Good quality leather, man. Very nice and plush all the way through. Very nice, man. I love it. Staying on the top of the shoe, you guys see the tongue. It's actually in a thick cloth, like very high quality, something that you don't see very much anymore. It's like a little bit more. It gives you a carpet feel. That's serious, guys. It's great quality. I love the little shoe holders right there, the little shoelace holders. I like that, man. Those little, I don't even know what the hell those things are called, guys. You know exactly. I'll put them right there in the screen, you know. And I like the pattern it has, like a stripe pattern, and it's like yellowed up like it was vintage. I like that very much, guys. Going to the top of the shoe, you guys see right there in a Jordan 4 type, you know. This is, I call it the Jordan 4 type. The two lace lids, let's call them lace lids, holding the laces all the way in the top, and a nice fluorescent pink. To me, it's more fluorescent pink. You know, you could call it infrared. You could call it whatever. To me, it's like a fluorescent pink, guys. You know, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm a little colorblind. And the Nike tab, once again, look at the vintage feel on that. Nicely sewn all the way around with the pink and the blue and it has like this gradient into white in the bottom. Beautiful, man. Staying in the inside of the shoe, the back of the tongue is in blue with the same exact material as the front of the tongue. The insole says Nike Air and it's completely blue. Going to the side of the shoe, you guys see the pixels. The pixels. Yes, a little bit of glue marks. You know, I'll be honest with you guys, it has a little bit of glue marks on the pixelated area right there. But is it something that's crazy? Not really, guys. As we get to the swoosh, you see in the back of the swoosh the perforated leather. That actually goes to that lace lid as well. The lace lid completely is like in a light, very light gray color. The swoosh in tumbled blue leather. And you guys see all those overlays, man, of leather all the way, man. It's like tumbled and then smooth leather, nice and sewn. Great job. In the back, you guys see that pixelated little pattern as well. Beautiful. Going all the way to the back of the shoe, the ankle collar, you guys see that it's the same exact material as the tongue. That carpet feel. I'm going to call it the carpet feel. That's the way it's going to stay. Right under it, you guys see the Nike Air logo. Air is very thinly sewn in there. Not badly sewn, but it's kind of thin. To me, I don't know if that's probably the way the OG. Remember, guys, I didn't have the OG of these, neither I've ever seen the OG in my hand. You know, I'm not going to lie to you. I kind of slacked off on these shoes big time. But it is kind of thin right there. It's looking a little, you know, little rinky-dink. I'm not going to lie, you know. And you guys see the overlay of the smooth leather in the bottom and the tumbled where the Nike embroidery is at. Going to the midsole of the shoe, right in the tip, you guys see the infrared right there, the lava pink, whatever you guys want to call it. Once again, you know, if you say the, you know, I'm going to get into the colors of Nike. Dusty cactus. Yes. What the hell does that even mean? And it's actually teal. You guys know how it is already. Hot lava. I've never seen hot lava look like this in my life. Wait a second. You know what? Now I'm intrigued by this. What color did this put here? White, royal blue, laser crimson. Isn't crimson red like just red? Because the Lost and Found say crimson red on it. I don't know. You see what I'm saying? Blue laser crimson. Well, yo, Nike, you gotta watch yourself with these colors, dude. You guys are all over the place with the colors. No, and I bet you there's somebody looking at it. I like that, bro. I like that. That's so cool. Let me control myself. Here, guys. Just get back to. I was about to say the box. The shoe. Anyways, and right next to it, you see a really light shade of gray. And the whole top that actually looks like a Jordan 4, that's per se, that the more I look at it, the more of a Jordan 4 it looks like. Anyways, it actually is in that cream, get the money, with these lines going across it. Going to the mid half of the shoe, you see the midsole right on top of where the air bubble's at. That little area right there has like a gravel pattern type of thing, if I could name it something. The air bubble is clear, white inside. The bottom has that cream color as well. Going to the sole of the shoe, very vintage feel. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at the toe box in the top, man. How beautiful that is, bro. How beautiful. I'm hypnotized by this thing. That nice fluorescent pink, the white in the background with the blue from the mid to the heel of the shoe. Nice pattern. Nike and that pink color, man, what a gorgeous thing. It's a thing of beauty. Bro, haven't said that in a long time. It's beautiful. You deserve it, bro. You deserve it. Should I speak to it? Keep doing your thing, bro. Keep doing your thing. Don't let them not appreciate you. I do. Okay, enough of the crazy talk. Guys, yes. These things are magnificent. Magnificent. I'm going to get to the sizing right now. Comfortability, swagger, whatever you guys want to call it. It's just, I am so satisfied with these shoes. They're so beautiful, man. It's just everything about it. Everything about the shoe is wonderful. I recommend them. Before I even get to the sizing, I recommend these shoes 100%, man. Quality, everything is great on these shoes. Anyways, let's get to the sizing. When it comes to the sizing, guys, go true to size. Go true to size. These things are magnificent. It runs perfect, and even if they feel a little snug, that I really doubt it, guys, to be honest with you, I really doubt that. But if they do, trust me, they're going to stretch out. There is no problem whatsoever you're going to have with this shoe. It is going to stretch out. So, yes, I recommend them going true to size. I'm not going to say if you're white-foot or anything like that, because to me, I don't think you'll have a problem. And when it comes to style, what else am I going to say, guys? What else am I going to say about style? I've been already all over this shoe, the whole review. What else am I going to say? Look at that gorgeousness, dude. This is so gorgeous, beautiful. I love the colors on it. Of course, I know I'm very biased when it comes to white shoes. Yes, guys, I'm a sucker for the white shoes. I am going to be biased. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But man, what a thing of beauty, bro. What a thing of beauty. I'm super happy with them again. I don't even know how to express myself. All I can say about this one, I'm a little harsh on Nike. Not gonna lie, I'm a little harsh on Nike. And these are the type of shoes that make me want to buy other Nikes. These are the type of shoes that I say to myself, dude, why did I pass on this? These are the type of shoes right here, because obviously, man, look, dude, I love Jordan, man. I love MJ. I'm a giant fanatic of him. It's just part of my culture, part of my history. I grew up with that, but dude, please bring more of these, man. I know you're looking at me, but bring more of these, bro. These things are amazing. Maybe the Air Tech Challenge 1s, the Tech Challenge 3s. Bring more of these. Trust me, I'll give you whatever review with champagne and everything coming out of the sky. These things are gorgeous, man. Super happy with them. Super happy. I know you guys are probably saying, yo, this guy's out of control on the happiness, but I am a sneaker freak. I love these things, man. I really do. And when you get something fresh, you feel very excited about it, you know? Little, even in the weird side. I'm not even gonna lie to you about that, you know what I'm saying? You know what? I'm gonna cut this review short because it's just getting weird already, guys. I love you all. I'm always wishing you the best. I'm gonna say it real serious. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace.